The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai. There is a popular term people use whenever they get frustrated. I don't give a F. Kurt was a friend that gave 3 F's. Family, friends, and food. So today, we head off to a street food stop that gives 3 F's and an A for amazing food.
Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. I know, I'm happy to see you guys. I know you guys are also happy to see that we're back with another video. Yo, you guys see I'm already sweating. It's a hot day out here in Jamaica, but if you're like me, you want food, you want the sunshine, but you also want to do all this in a very cool place. Guys, check out where we are. We are back at Street Food Saturdays, and at Street Food Saturdays, yo, it happens every end of the month where you're gonna have the most amazing food that is street food, but you're doing it by a river in Mount James. Amazing. So we're gonna head down there really quick and we're gonna have food here another time. This is gonna be my 3rd time being here, so you guys know it's good. But they have updated so much in the past 2-3 years. Let's check it out. So I know a lot of you guys are gonna be like me. You're gonna see this place, you're gonna wanna come here almost immediately, but it goes by a reservation basis. So you have to get reservations, and we all know with the pandemic and everything, a lot of people wanna come here because the food here is prime. As you guys can see, that is our hostess. She's gonna be the one that's gonna be seating us today. Yo, and guys, I got a little bit lucky. So what happened is the reservations were fully booked, but I used the YouTuber card, so I let her know that I've been here a couple times. I've filmed these videos went really viral, and she squeezed all 4 of us in to have this opportunity. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video, and remember, I'm going to leave all the information in the description box so you guys can come and check it out the right way. You won't get lost and you will know the cost. All right, so for those who want to know who is with me, my sister is here with me, and also we have Jilly. You guys know Jilly, that's my woman. Anyway, and over here, you don't know, mommy is here with me as well.
Guys.
My mom has always been a super big food critic. Anything where you cook, mom is gonna ask you if you couldn't put some raisin.
That's correct.
So there is a cashier. I'm gonna ask you a quick question. Was it possible for people to pay online before they even got here?
Yeah, you can pre-order.
Pre-order before. Okay, cool. So because my spot got squeezed in, we're gonna pay right here at the cashier, and there's also a $500 fee for sitting by the river, right? Awesome. All right, so we're gonna get this money in. I think it's about everything is about $20,000, I think they said. So we're gonna check it out and I'll let you guys know. So because mask mandate, you gotta be wearing your mask. Of course, when you're sitting down, you can take them off. But anyhow, because I did my reservations off books or whatever the case is, we also get a thing what you call the lemonade ticket. So we got the lemongrass lemonade. That is really good. My sister got the pine and ginger. So we're gonna head down, we're gonna try to find our seat. They also gave you tickets, number tickets that you give to the kitchen, and then you keep back one and they'll call your name. Anyway, we're gonna go down and we're gonna show you guys what we got. We got 4 different dishes. So we are gonna have the chance and the opportunity to talk about 4 different meal types. Guys, creativity, street food, you guys know that's what we're about. Anyway, let's head down. Yo, it's been weeks since I've walked through like a really cold river, whether to go cook some food or to also feature it. But it's refreshingly cold, yo. Yo, trust me, it's, oh snap, the way how the sun shines off the river, the coolness on your feet. John, I have my bag on my back, so, huh? The water is an epic shock, but yo, you can see why it's hard to get reservations here because, come on now.
Hi, street food over here.
Hey.
Water is cold. Warning, warning, water is cold.
It is cold. All right, blessed up.
The food is warm.
And the food is warm.
The water, yeah.
And the soup is hot.
So soup is hot, food is warm, water is cold. Yo, perfect combination, yo. Oh, snap. So the last 2 times I was here, didn't take the opportunity to experience the water setup, but this time around we're definitely doing that. How you feel?
I'm happy I brought my jacket because...
You happy you brought your jacket?
Man, I'm good as I am.
You're good as you are?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, yo, check it. Check it. You're literally like sitting in water. It's amazing, man.
It's different. It's something different. It's nice though. Yeah. Nice. And what I like about it. Every time I come out of this, yeah, just put them shrivel out.
It's nice that you can like sit and enjoy nature at the same time.
So like the lady says, the water is super cold, but as soon as you get inside, you're kind of climatized. Yeah. That's good. And like you see, some
Number 39, number 39, number 39. Okay.
where are you seated? Alright, take care, come first. Take care, come now.
Yeah, number 40.
So guys, I'm gonna show you guys a quick little walkthrough of this place, but I'm gonna find out from the ladies really quick, you know, what do they think about the entire experience, Jilly? Okay, she's on the photos. Yeah, Mom, how are you feeling?
I think so far I've not started the meal part of it.
Yeah.
But just the ambiance is so nice, perfect Sunday for you and your family. Because I'm looking and also for couples, it's a nice place to go hang out. And it is so refreshing that these places really do exist in Jamaica. So I don't try the food yet, but just the ambiance itself is just such a big turnout for me.
Amazing. All right, cool.
Thank you.
And of course, it's a great place for a nice photo art because Jilly is exposing that. What do you think?
It's nice. I came here before, but it was not like this. They had an
Yep.
inside eating area, and
Yep.
sitting on the river was kind of optional.
Yep.
I guess because of demand for this experience, they kind of change it up. But it's nice. I like it, and the food is good. Hopefully, it's still good. We'll let you know.
That guy's walking. Can I ask you a quick question, man?
Yeah.
First time here?
Second.
Second time? Food's bomb, right?
Awesome.
Enough said, man. What about you, Imani?
I think this is a perfect place.
Yeah.
I like the ambiance, I like the vibe, being in the water. It's very different.
Yeah.
I'm a little nervous on my feet when I come out, but
It's gonna prune up?
but I think it would be worth it if the food is good.
I agree. I agree. All right, so you guys have it, man. So what I'm gonna do really quick, I'm gonna give you guys a quick little walk down to, because there's like a waterfall down there, so you can hear like the rustling of the water down there. There's a little, when I say waterfall, I'm not talking anything like big or extravagant, you guys get the idea. But like Jilly said, here they keep improving. So they're not just making money off of you and not adding new stuff to it. They keep adding new features and people keep coming back. All right, guys, so Jilly and I are going to take a little walk, and Imani and Mom will just go and chill for a second. So I'm just going through here really quick, and oh, I'm sorry guys. Yeah, people are going for the little photo up by the river and things, so that's what we're going to do. Wow. A good thing though, I don't think the rocks are that slippery. I've been to rivers where the rocks are super slippery, but regardless, we're still going to check on those. What is super amazing though, and of course the water is just so cool and nice. Oh yeah, we're super. Oh my gosh, you going? Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Did you come to this part the last time? Come up to here?
No, I never came in the water.
Oh, never came in the water?
No,
Yeah, the last time I actually came into the water, but just to walk in and see what it felt like. But yeah. Oh my God.
I don't remember the water being so much where we were.
Yeah, I think what happens over time, you know, rainfall and stuff, it's gonna increase it. But guys, you can see it's super amazing here. It's worth the money. Some persons might say it's expensive. For me, you're paying for consistent food and you're also paying for the ambiance and everything like that. And it shows their reservations are huge. I remember I seen a comment on Instagram and someone was like, people can't give other people a chance. And what they meant that is that people kept rebooking. So if you want to experience for the first time, you're gonna have to be, for one, following their Instagram page so you can get the live feeds. And remember, it's the last Saturday at the end of every single month. All right.
I was saying, nature is so amazing because it was the shade, natural from the trees and everything. And the place is just really beautiful.
It's like a whole different atmosphere because like
I don't
over
feel like
there
I'm in
was,
Jamaica.
it was,
I feel like it could be in another country.
like
Costa Rica.
oh my God, exactly.
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna head back to our table and then you want soup?
No.
I'm not feeling for soup either, but mom is a junkie for soup. All right. If they scrub the rocks. I really wouldn't put it past them, to be honest. Whew, that's amazing. If I can get the chance to speak to Chef Walker Barrett, yo, I guess it's the reason why her business keeps thriving, because the last time I checked, she was a lecturer, and you don't know. Once you know about business, and once you put yourself to a level of education, especially when it comes down to food, you keep wanting to learn and try different things, you're going to come up with some exceptional recipe ideas. So the items here are not typical Jamaican items, but they're very much inspired by things all around the world and also Jamaican culinary art. So the seasonings and everything like that, the rich and deep flavors are definitely put into place. But you're not going to come here and only be introduced to things like, how can I say, jerk chicken or pepper shrimp. Yes, those things are often available here, but there's a far, vast, wide use of both the ingredients and her culinary skills over the years. All right, if possible, first of all, let me throw on my mask. That's super important. All right, now we have our mask on. If I can get the chance to show you guys what the kitchen is like, yo, it's a very small kitchen, but the food that they're pumping out, big flavor, ridiculous, man. Super ridiculous. Mom, can I ask you what you're putting in the cup there? Is it possible? What kind of soup?
Janga.
Oh, Janga soup. Jano. So you guys might have seen some of the videos that we did where we went and did some catch and cook in the Spanish Bridge. I will drop a link so you guys can check it out. So we caught fresh Janga, and I can guarantee the Janga here is super fresh, because you don't know. It's like we're in town, but the countryside, right?
Yes.
Awesome, man. What would be your favorite thing to eat here?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Pork belly.
Pork belly. Everybody talk about that. All right. Yeah, so everybody talk about the pork belly. Mommy's over there waiting for her too. All right, so let's talk about the mediums in which they are using to get the food super hot or warm out to the customers. So because we're in the outdoor setting, I believe they are using charcoal at this moment right now. So the grills are fired on charcoal, And you all know
Number
charcoal or
41.
any form of wood burning element,
Number
is going to add
41.
like a depth of flavor to your dish. Like, it's gonna be amazing, man. I can't wait to try my food. I can smell it. It's rich. Oh, look at that soup going out, guys. Mom, what kind of soup you order?
It's the soup of the day special. I think it's crayfish. Yes, crayfish. There's just one.
Ah, so soup of the day special, guys. Crayfish. Oh, another important thing to add. When you come here, if you're not careful, you'll see the sky looking super clear. But then chances are you can feel some water. What is that? Is that rain or is that the river? Tell me, call me. No, you know.
It's the river.
It's the river. Exactly.
It's definitely the river.
It's definitely the river. For those of you who've never experienced rivers, rivers are going to give you two things. They're going to give you a nice, cool mist of water, and they're going to also give you airflow. Because the river is going like this, you're going to get the wind going downstream. So you're going to get those. Of course, when you dip your foot in the water, you're going to feel it as well. So, yeah. Oh my gosh. So as you guys saw back there, that is one, I would say, the main seating area. But also to that side as well, there's also another seating area beneath the bridge. They both offer different things. Well, I think the most important thing is giving us more space and more opportunity to try the food. Oh my God. Look at that. That is the pork belly. It is one of the most famous dishes here. Mom, what did you get?
I think I had something fishy, like a steamed fish or something like
Yeah,
that.
you got the steamed fish wrapped in banana leaves. That's what you got.
Yeah, that's what I got.
All right, cool. I don't remember what I got. I just played Trooper and tried to get something different, you know, from what everybody else was getting. So, Mom, tell us the cost price on the soup.
Only $500.
Only $500 for crayfish soup.
Crayfish soup? That's I think it's pretty reasonable.
Mmm. Nummies. How is it?
Really good.
It's really good? Yo, you guys know that I'm a tough critic when it comes on to food. That's where I got it from. And if she said really good, you know it's really good. Imani.
Only mine, I only got one crayfish. No, it's good.
It's good? Awesome.
Really nice. You can't imagine you have so much to enjoy while you're here. And it's really not too expensive to have fun with it.
All right, so I'm going to try some of this crayfish soup. In Jamaica, we refer to it also as janga. That's a pet name for it out here. But in the US, people call it crayfish, some people call it crawfish, some people call it crawdads. When it comes down to like the wateriness, it's not too watery, it's not too thick, it's just right in between.
It's a good start off.
The flavors are just busting. Even though you might get only one janga in the soup, you know it's a janga soup immediately as it enters your palate. As it hits right on the palate, man, you know. And I'm definitely getting some pumpkin in this. And you feel little bits of pumpkin in there as well. Like I said on that crab video, I don't know why I wouldn't say it's a 10, but it's definitely like a 9.5. It's exactly what you expect it to be. Really amazing. Oh, the one crawfish. Now, my mom was talking about the prices. First of all, she was saying Jamaica really nice, and there was the whole talk about, is it affordable? No, when you factor in $20,000, it's around how much? It's about $150. I put it in the screen, the exact equivalent. Now, when you think about that, if you're going to take yourself and your lady out on a date in the US, you're going to be spending about that. for somewhere that's amazing, and you might just be on the indoors. But if you're telling her that you're going to street food Saturdays, I guarantee you she's gonna get wet. When I say wet, I'm talking about just the experience being here in the river. Trust me, 150 bucks, that's basically nothing to get your girl wet and super excited. I promise you. Are you wet right now? Gushing, exactly. All right, so I heard number 42 called. We are number 43. So we're gonna go see how far the food has come along. And we haven't been here that long either way. So
What number are you?
so there goes our number up there. That's 43.
Okay. That's 42?
We're 43, I think.
Oh, this is you?
Yeah.
Okay. I need a pork. Number 41. Chef, I have the pork already.
You have it over there?
Yes, chef. In the warmer. So I want a chicken. I need a pigtail.
Okay.
Walker, I need a fish. Wallace, rather.
And it is our time to shine. I'm super excited. The special number. 143 I go playing at the laptop today. CASHAPP. So I realize you guys have this this pork chow thing. Is it good? Like people are raving about it?
Yes, it is. It's good. It's good. It's good.
Alright, cool.
Okay.
That's it. Oh, that look good. Some sesame seed on top?
Definitely.
Oh, wow.
Would it be finished without it? Alright, so this is your chicken.
Chicken.
This is your pigtail.
Oh my gosh, guys. Check it out. Look at that. You think you're good? The village depends on you, yo. The village depends on you. All right, so she's getting some help from one of the staff members, which is just amazing. All right, I'm gonna wait for the other two. Hey, hey!
This is your pork.
Oh,
Yes, chef?
yes.
Okay, chef.
Look.
Until next time.
Oh my God.
Chef, I'm right here.
The fish for Eric.
Hey, come on.
Wait, is that a smoker?
Yes.
Oh, yo. Oh no, play. Guys, this plate is so hot.
This is hot as well.
My God.
Because we keep the food warm.
Yeah, man, I love it, man. That's a
I will
good
come back
thing.
here for the drinks, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna drink it again.
All right.
It's
3
not-
lemongrass and 1 pine and ginger. I'm gonna bring it to you.
Okay.
Let me help you.
Oh my gosh, sweetheart, thank you. Thank you. So you realize you get what you pay for. The customer service is up. Customer service, again, is up. Mommy, I'm gonna tell you from now, don't beg none of my pork, because I don't want any air fish. Oh, yes. You want to put it on the back of the chair? Huh? Oh, you're cold? Okay, good. All right, so, hey man, you got the drinks. So these drinks sell out really quick as well, especially the lemongrass. Sells out really fast because it's refreshing. It's refreshing, it's different. All right, so a lemongrass for you, a lemongrass for you.
Can you take up your phone?
And that for Imani. All right.
That's Jillian.
What?
Pork belly. The pigtail is yours.
Okay. Oh, okay. Well, the pork belly is for Jilly. So something that we never kind of recognized was, for one, you get to choose your sides. But then when we got here, they said that the chef pairs it with what it's supposed to go with. Well, honestly, I don't mind that as a different kind of culinary experience because, again, certain foods pair with certain things. For example, seafood has to be paired with white wines, and red meat pairs better with red wines, and it can get even more technical with that. And you realize in the kitchen, they refer to each other as chef. So, you know, it's out there cooking, but they take it on a notch. If you guys watch my videos, you'll notice that we don't just cook a runabout dish only. We try to take it on a notch. It's the same thing experiencing out here. All right, I don't even know what side this is, but...
Right, huh?
The rice tastes really fatty, so I'm guessing like it's a pork type of rice. It's shelly, and it's on point. Now, barbecue pigtail is something that I tried to do one time. Try to do it really quick. And I gave up really quick as well. So, I'm gonna try this and see what the flavor profiles are like. I'm sure it's gonna be sweet, and it's gonna also be very savory because it is cured pigtail. Wow. Wow. Jaja. Wow.
It's like a seasoned rice, but they might have used like the water that they used to put the pigtail in.
It's like a pilau, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, pak chow is something that I don't normally mess with, but they definitely put some form of marinade on top of it that looks kind of sweet. And there's also the nice hints of the sesame seeds, so let's see.
Vegetable taste.
Oh. Oh. Even the way that they cut up the pak chow, it's not hard for you to chew into it. And that sweet savory marinade kind of just knocks out the entirety of the greenness.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
And it bakes. Oh, so it was baked. If you can do that, they have baked. Imagine. Oh. You know what this is? Sauce is very good. Very good. Let's take it from. This is where
This barbecue, mommy, it was the most boring thing. Fish.
But this is good. The sauce is what tastes from mancoke. The sauce. Like we're not just trying the chicken. I never really got that vibe too much, but that sauce. Let me taste the sauce. The pork belly sauce.
So this is rum and coke wings?
Yeah, I think this is just chicken tenders, but the sauce is what has that rum and coke taste.
So now you guys want to see into everybody's plate. So this is the rum and coke wings. Those are some pressed green plantains. Never seen them this big.
Green plant never seen in my life.
But I love the presentation of it. This is the pak chow. Amazing.
Tamarind glazed pork belly.
Tamarind glazed pork belly. And you are tearing up the barbecue pigtail. You better enjoy that because that's your last piece. The mommy's having...
Nothing that my meat is boring, but it's actually very good.
It's really good?
And I have like the fried bread, which is similar to like Himani says bakes.
Yeah.
And I have actually have bami and I also have plantain. So I have a wide variety of options with my
Nice.
and it is actually good.
Can I taste the pigtail?
Pork belly.
The pork belly? All right, so. Alright. Oh, yeah. And for those who don't really like fatty foods, this might not be the one for you because barbecue, pork belly, that's what it is. Oh my gosh. All right, so this event, this food experience is exactly what you want. It makes you want to share your food because you want the other person to enjoy it as much, or probably not as much because they're gonna want more of what you got. But yeah, everybody here thus far is, I would say, pleased, right? Oh my gosh.
I think the highlight from the vegetable
Is it what?
The vegetables.
The vegetables?
Yeah, it's just so fresh. And I can't believe it's raw pop chow.
Like, I didn't think raw pop chow would ever be like a thing.
Girl.
It's good. It's busting. Overall experience, food, location, the people, solid 10.
Food is amazing, right?
I don't have
The rum and coke, right? Beans, what do you say? Grade it. Grade that dish. I remember before you even came here, you said you hope that the experience is as good or even better than the last time. What do you think?
I think it's better. Set up is a little bit different, which I like. I much prefer. And the food is really good. I never knew that I would actually enjoy eating raw pop choy. Really good. Really good.
And you?
the rum and coke. Really is rum and coke. The pop choy. Amazing. And I mean, green planting this big, I'm a happy camper.
Mom.
I'm gonna be modest and give it a 9 out of 10.
Oh my gosh, you ruined it, Mom. You ruined it.
Reason being, so let me get reason being, I've tasted your thing. Perfect. I've tasted the man is wing, and it's such a different way to bring it to the palate. Rum and coke, I've never thought of that as a sauce. And my fish, I'm happy with it because I'm thinking of somebody who's not ready to meet. It would have been a perfect option for them.
Yeah?
So I give it a 9 because I've not had a chance to taste
Pork.
the pig taste.
Nice bit of reverse psychology. Well played. I was waiting on it. I was waiting on it. Well played. As cunning as my mother. No, you're gonna say 10. You epic.
How much you give it? Okay, yeah, so we give it 10 now. What's seriously? And I'm not even doing this because of the video. The food is the experience. Plus the experience. And even the worker, they're so professional. It's an outdoor thing, but when they speak to each other, you can see a sense of really, into their minds. And yeah, really good. Perfect. Maybe need to kind of see what kind of food.
As soon as I'm done eating. Awesome. All right, guys, so we're going to get a quick talk with the chef herself. So, Chef Walkabout, walk on.
Hey, welcome back.
Yes, definitely welcome back. So the question I want to ask you is, how long you guys have been operating?
March of next year will be our 7th year.
March of next year is going to be your 7th
March
year.
2022 will be our 7th year.
Got you. Final question. I remember I used to see you on campus, right?
Yes.
You were like, was it baking? That was your thing before?
Well, when I went to culinary school, I first did baking. So I'm a certified baker.
Got you.
Then I got bored of baking and I went back to culinary school and I did culinary arts.
Got you.
And then for the past 18 years, I've been teaching both culinary arts and baking. And so, yeah, I'm one of those chefs that just do everything and try to do it well.
So you still do that? The people that work in here, because you realize everybody's like super professional and people saying yes chef and whatever, are they from?
They have to say yes chef, I'm in charge of my kitchen.
Got you, got you. Were they like, did they go to school as well for it, or were you?
Yes, some of my staff, my staff, they're mixed. They are community members and their family.
Love it.
Like for example, my expediter, she's a trained teacher.
Oh,
so
nice.
She's my expediter. We have our fry chef here, Evelyn. Evelyn is just our all-rounder.
Hey.
We have Kanisha. She also is trained in culinary arts, and she mostly do the seafood. We have our hosts that have a degree in hotel and hospitality and tourism management. So we have a mix. And then we have our little niece here who helps.
Love it. Love that.
It's a family thing. It's a community thing. So we are a community, but we're also family. So
Love
everybody gets pitched in, and if they're not formally trained, they learn very, very fast on the job. Yeah.
Got you. All right, yo, it's a pleasure coming back again.
It's a pleasure to have you back.
But
you are one of the only respectful bloggers, because these bloggers don't understand themselves. They don't understand that they need content creators. And so if you're going to talk about somebody's food, try and understand where the food, why do we cook this way?
exactly.
Who is the chef? Where are we located? You know, we need to help each other
Got you.
to survive. So enough respect. I really loved your first blog, and when I got the message via email, I said, of course, let him in, because you came and you were very respectful and very honest at the same time. And I really respect that in, everybody.
Appreciate it, Chef.
Thank you for following me again.
Of course. Thanks, Chef. We're getting goosebumps because I realize everything that you guys did has been like an upgrade.
Oh, yes, yes.
Complete upgrade.
As the years go by, we have to grow.
Yeah.
And so now we're doing reservations only. It helps to keep us organized.
Yeah.
It helps to keep us relevant, because we have moved into a full-blown experience.
Yep.
The product still remains food. When you came a couple years ago, we were coming into the river like maybe 5 times a year.
Yeah.
Now we're in the river once it allows us.
Yeah.
We're in the river all the time. The river is the experience and the food is our product. So, both of them go together, and that is why we say river dining experience
Love
and
it.
river picnic.
Love
so
it.
you won't get a white tablecloth, but you get food cooked over live fire.
Yeah.
That's how we always cook, and that's how we will continue to cook.
Yeah, I did speak about the cooking medium. It's charcoal primarily, or?
It's charcoal 99%. Maybe in second seating we grab for a gas if we have pasta.
Okay.
Because the pasta can't sit for long and we want to do it a la carte. But we have our meat smoking from 4 o'clock in the morning. We have our pork smoker over here, and we're cooking mostly pork belly. So we say we cook over live fire. We just cook over charcoal or wood.
Love it. All right, Chef.
So thank you guys.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Guys, you see it. The chef it feels like first class kind of dining or whatever, because if you go to any good restaurant, you want to talk to the chef. And it's really cool that the chef actually makes herself available, because I've seen people taking photos with the chef, talking with her and stuff like that. And as I said, 10 out of 10 experience, amazing. All right, so we're about to get ready to head home, so I'll catch you guys when we're about to leave. It's funny how much like people share the same mental and DNA. My mom was like, can I get $500? I give her 1,000. She's trying to leave a tip. So you don't want to give it to the person specifically. It's not like, I mean, first class dining, but come on, someone else might just take it. So I don't remember if the last time I came here if it was actually you who did film, because there's a fruit man out here. More likely it was you. So you'd say you did right out there, so right after Street Food Saturdays.
Yeah.
So anybody want to get some fruits and breadfruit and everything, green banana,
right,
and stop by you. Alright, last time I got some sugar cane, I believe, so I'll take a bag of this.
Yeah.
Babe, you can get a bag of this for me, please?
Yeah.
Alright, so shall I get the bag of cane and
Make sure
stuff?
you video a bite, yeah?
I will, bro, I will. What clothes now? Is it here? Get like 2.
Cane?
Yeah, how much per bag? 200 bag. Give me, just buy a full bag.
Thank you.
So give me 5 bags.
Give me the whole table.
Yeah, man, if you want, you want orange? Come on here.
Yes. There's plants in here? Yeah. Thank you so much. Here.
Yo, blessings in a bro. Respect in a brother. Alright guys, so we're about to close off the video, and just recap a couple important stuff. Now I know the most important stuff is how to find this place. Now, it's a bit tricky. I've been there 2 times before and it was a bit tricky for me to still find it. I think the key point is once you get to that gas station, it could be Shell today, Total tomorrow. Gas stations normally get sold and rebranded, but usually it still will remain a gas station for quite some time. Now once you make the right there, the signage heading up the mountain is perfect. You'll keep seeing street food Saturdays, especially on the right. I don't think you can miss it from there. Now the next thing is, like I said, execution, everything is a 10 out of 10 for me. We spent $20,000 today. From a Jamaican perspective, I would say the average Jamaican would consider it pretty expensive. But remember, I paid for 4 persons. Now, did I get value for money? 100% value for money. They hit you from customer service, they hit you with great tasting food, they hit you with ambiance. You can't go wrong doing that. Now, my birthday is tomorrow, and I think it's a great way to just ring in the birthday. And also to alleviate the stresses of cooking Christmas dinner yesterday. You know, I'm sure everybody enjoyed that. And trust me, when you spend your money and everybody agrees that the experience is good, honestly, it felt like I didn't spend any money today. And I think the final point I can actually touch on is just the community support. Love the fact that, you know, she employs people in the community. Speaking of support, shout out to everybody that has supported me in the downtime where I just took a step back from YouTube and I wasn't filming for maybe about 3 weeks, 4 weeks off. Appreciate it. Remember, you guys can subscribe to the channel, drop a like, comment, share, and continue to give more support. I appreciate it. You guys see, whenever I go out, I always try to support people, whether it's through the vendors or the people who are selling street food, whatever the case is. If someone asks me to come by and to support their business, and I can see that they actually have a really cool product, I'm definitely going to show support. So guys, again, thank you for the support. And if you like videos like these, you know where to find more. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Remember, 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, key to link.